It was until I put this hair in my head that I got a real realization, and we go get into that. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. I share content on lifestyle, health, wellness, beauty, and most importantly, skincare. And I'm also on the road to 20K. And at 20K, I'm going to do a giveaway. Every time I hit a milestone number, I always do a big giveaway. So if you're interested in any of those things, go ahead and subscribe. Today's video is about Wig Dealer, The Wig Dealer, Shop Wig Dealer. I'm not sure, I always get confused with the name, but it is a hair review on The Wig Dealer. That's the hair I currently have in right now, and we go get into it. Okay, so when it comes to my hair reviews, I rate hair on 5 different stars. 1, the price point of the hair. Is the hair worth the price? 2, how well does the hair take color? In this video, we won't be rating the hair on that, but that is something that I rate hair on, because normally I would dye my hair blonde or jet black, but this video, we don't need that. How much does the hair shed? Because if the hair sheds, it's trash. Okay, it's trash. Does the hair tangle? Because if the hair tangles along with it shedding, it's trash. It's trash. And how long does the hair last? So let's just get right into it. My initial thoughts on this hair is that it's super soft. Like, this hair is really soft, and you get it in this very nice black packaging, and honestly, that's what they spent most of their money on. So you get it in this black packaging, you get the hair, you get a bunch of little goodies, like a headband. I was supposed to get a wax stick in my order, didn't get that, and like a card. My initial thought was, damn, this hair is so soft, like this curl is so pretty. Everything is bomb, especially the lace. The lace, initial thoughts. I looked at that lace. The lace came pre-bleached, the lace came pre-plucked, the lace hair was soft. It was until I put this hair in my head that I got a real realization, and we go get into that. I don't have my phone next to me, so I'm just going to link right here what I bought and how much it cost. I think it was like mid 400s or low 500s. I'm not sure, but I know I got an 18-inch closure, 20, 22, and 24-inch raw Indian hair. No. This hair is not worth the price. Honestly, truly, they spent all their money on that box, on that Velcro, velour, gold interior box, and the little package that the hair comes in. But when it comes to hair quality, they did not think about hair quality at all. This hair sheds. There's no way to get around it. You are going to be shedding like a mutt, like a mixed breed dog, like a cat, like a bad rug. Like, you are going to run your fingers through your hair and it's gonna shed like crazy. I did not cut any of the wefts. I have 2 bundles in my hair along with the closure, and the fact that I did not cut any of the wefts and this hair sheds the way that it does is just absolutely insane to me. When I first installed this in my head, I actually left it in its natural state, this curly raw Indian state, and I didn't like it. I was ready to rip this shit out of my head, and I just went home, washed it, blow dry it, and after that, it was just game over. So for shedding, 1 star. If I could give it 0 stars, I would, but 1 star. Actually, one of y'all recommended me try the hair because I was going in on Kendall Hair Boutique's closure, and at this point I wish I just purchased Kendra's Hair Boutique and did not try a new hair company, but I wanted to try a new hair company. I wanted to see what, you know, other companies and like give it a try and let y'all know how it is. Remember, I said if the hair sheds, it's trash. If the hair tingles, it's trash. Right now, this hair looks really good on camera. And you know what I think this hair is? I think this hair is studio hair. I think this hair is for a modeling session. This is not live-in everyday hair. When it comes to their Instagram, when it comes to the influencers that they have with their hair in, it's literally for photo shoots. I do not believe that this hair is for everyday wear. It mats up. I'm sitting here and I'm looking in my viewfinder, but I'm sitting here, the hair looks good. I'm not moving though. So as soon as I am to go outside, as soon as I am to walk in some breeze, it'll go from looking like this to looking like this, okay? And it naps right here. It naps right here, and ain't nobody got time for that. Another thing, it's not in my reviews, but this hair does not hold a curl. It does not hold a curl at all. I curled my hair and you could see something trying to come over here. This side gave up. This side completely gave up. But less than 10 minutes ago, cause I curled my hair right before filming this video, I had full curls less than 10 minutes ago. And the curls have fallen, and this is what it's fallen to. So this hair does not hold a curl, and I don't have straight hair in. I have raw Indian hair in that is naturally curly. So I would think, because normally I purchase body wave hair, and I purchase body wave because it holds a curl better. And you would think that this would hold a curl because of the natural state that it has, but it doesn't. It does not hold a curl. I actually don't have high hopes for this hair. I've had it in for less than a week now, and it has not been the greatest experience. And I purchased this hair to go to Africa for my birthday, and I'm just really upset with the quality, with the customer service. I didn't even tell y'all about the customer service. So I actually ended up emailing them and letting them know, hey, this hair is thin. This hair is not as advertised. Like, hey, I'm not looking for a refund. I'm just trying to figure out how I could fix this to make this hair look better, because what I got is not what I expected, and what I got is not what y'all are advertising at all. So, and then I also added in that my wax stick was not in my package. So they did sort that out. I have the wax stick coming. We'll see if I actually get it. But what they told me is what I sent to them was, hey, you know, this hair is thin. I purchased the 20, 22, 24. It's not supposed to be this thin at the end. And I'll actually add in a clip for you to see just how the hair looked. And they said, oh, you need to wash the hair. When you get the hair in the bundle, listen to this. When you get the hair in the bundle, it's going to be thin, but wash it, blow dry it, and it should be better. It should not be thin anymore. I let them know, hey, I did wash the hair, I did blow dry it, and it's still thin. Then the response was, oh, we'll add another bundle. No, I just told you there's something wrong with your hair. I just told you there's a possibility I got a bad batch, and you tell me to purchase another bundle of hair to add into this full head of hair that I have already. That's actually what you're seeing right here is not thin, because I had to cut it, and I got longer bundles because I wanted longer hair, but I ended up having to cut it so that it's all like even throughout. But I don't know. I don't know what they got going on over there. I really don't. And I'm not even going to do an updated review on this hair. The only way I feel like I might do an updated review on this hair is if I dye it. And if dyeing it makes it better some way, somehow, then I'll let y'all know. But initial review, 1 week in, my experience so far is it's a hell no. It's a hell no, okay? I had high hopes, but no, it ain't it. I have more hair videos for you to watch. I have more lifestyle videos for you to watch. I have travel videos. I have a shit ton of skincare videos that you can watch. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.